Hello friends, my name is Mashood Iqbal. I'm a barrister at London V Chambers. Immigration in the United Kingdom is a hot topic. It is a complex area of law. There are many pieces of primary legislation that deal with immigration law, and not the least, there is a very detailed yet very confusing piece of immigration rules whose complexity not only keeps troubling solicitors and barristers but also judges of the senior courts. The immigration rules keep changing, sometimes even on weekly or monthly basis. Therefore, it is very important to keep updated with changes in the relevant immigration laws. The appeal rights against immigration decisions have been brought down to bare minimum. So, in this presentation, we will talk about procedure of appeals in the first year tribunal. Now, the procedure starts when a decision is made by the Home Office or the Entry Clearance Officer. If you are not a British national or a national of one of the countries in the European Union, then in order to continue staying in the United Kingdom lawfully, you have to apply for leave to remain in the United Kingdom. Or, if you want to enter the United Kingdom, then you have to apply for leave to enter. Now, leave to enter can be applied by making an application to the British High Commission or to British Embassy that's overseas. Once a decision is made either by the Entry Clearance Officer or by the Home Office, and so long as it is an appealable decision, an appeal can be lodged in the first year tribunal. This is where the procedure starts. When you receive a decision by the Entry Clearance Officer, then you have 28 days within which your appeal must be lodged before the first year tribunal. And if you have received a decision by the Home Office, then you have 14 days to file your appeal. This 14-day period starts from the day when the decision was sent to you. So it is wise to keep a copy of the envelope saved in which you received the decision in question. In order to lodge an appeal, you have to fill in a form that's easily available on the tribunal's website, or you can find it even through a simple Google search. Once the form is completed, it has to be sent to the address specified on the appeal form. Once the first year tribunal receives the appeal form, it then forwards a copy to either the Home Office or the Entry Clearance Officer. Once the Home Office or the Entry Clearance Officer receives your appellant's notice, then they have to file a response notice, which must include a copy of your application form and all the supporting documentation that you sent in support of your application. Once the respondent bundle is received, then the tribunal also makes direction for the appellant to file bundle of appeal, which must include your witness statements, the decision by the Home Office or by the Entry Clearance Officer, any other supporting documentation that you wish to rely upon. Once these procedural formalities are completed, then the first year tribunal lists the matter for an appeal hearing. Now, in that appeal hearing, there is a prescribed procedure that has to be followed, but for that I will give you a different presentation. The tribunal makes a decision that can be favorable to the appellants or it cannot be favorable to the appellants. However, either party, that is either the Entry Clearance Officer, Home Office or the appellant, can make an application seeking permission to appeal to the upper tribunal. Now, there are two chances to seek permission to upper tribunal. For the first time, you have to complete an application form seeking permission to appeal from the first year tribunal to appeal to the upper tribunal. If the first year tribunal refuses permission, then you have 14 days within which you can apply directly to the upper tribunal seeking permission to appeal against the decision of the first year tribunal. Now, if the first year tribunal itself grants you permission to appeal, then you have to go and attend appeal hearing in the upper tribunal. And if the upper tribunal grants you permission, then you have to go before the upper tribunal. Now friends, in this presentation I have simply tried to focus on the procedure in the first year tribunal. Insofar as procedure to appeal in the upper tribunal is concerned, I will certainly come back to you in the form of a different presentation. Till then, enjoy your life. I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.